Mokgatlo wa DA o boetse ho buisana le baahi ba masepala wa Solplaatje pele ho dikgetho tsa selehae bekeng e tlang. Moetapele wa mokgatlo John Steenhuisen o na le tshepo ya hore mokgatlo o tla atleha.
So I think we're going to do well here because we're going to be with a track record of what we're already doing where we govern. We're not here making promises. We're saying this is what we're already doing where we govern. If you give us a chance here, we'll do the same. I think we're going to do well nationally as well. In a very difficult election, I think we're going to do much better than we did in 2019.
Steenhuisen o re mokgatlo wa DA o ka nna wa sebedisana mmoho le mekgatlo e meng ho kenyeleditse le mokgatlo wa ANC ka mora dikgetho.
I'm committed, the DA, to being a centrifugal force around which that new realignment in our politics can take place. But it's only going to happen if we bring the ANC below 50%. If the ANC stays above 50%, there's going to be no breaking of the logjam in South African politics.
Steenhuisen o re ho tingwa ha motlakase ho tla lebisa ditahlehelong tse ngata tsa mesebetsi. Baahi mme bona ba re diphetho tse ngata di a hlokahala motseng ona.
They could tackle the drug problem in Roodepan and the youth who are so unemployed in Roodepan. Maybe things will go better.
Our flats are not cleaned properly. Our yards of the flats are not maintained well. The drug population in the flats is very high in risk and all that stuff.
Steenhuisen ka lehlakoreng le leng o tshepisa ho tlisa diphetho motseng ona. Ke tlaleha ke le Katleho Morapela, Lefapheng la Ditaba SABC, Kimberley.